So we're going to learn about introduction sets, and this is how the challenge asks us to calculate average, right? We've been calculating average for using like some kind of for loop and some type of counting the sum of the height and the total number, right? So we're not going to use while loop or for loop anymore. We're just going to use a dictionary called, not a dictionary, a library called sets, right? So let's try to use that. So here we have set that we can use. So something will look like this. Set will eliminate any duplicated numbers. Okay, so that's what we know so far. So let's try and implement this. The user input is basically, this is not useful. This is just basically saying that, hey, it's going to be n numbers of inputs, and then there will be list of numbers, how many numbers in a list. We convert the string into integer list, and then we pass it on to average functions. Okay, so now let's calculate this average. So we're going to need the formula is like average equal to, right? So sum of distinct, right? And then we will divide that by total number of distinct heights. Okay, so now we're going to copy this and do it right here. So let's try to find the sum of distinct height. Okay, so now we know so far that array is we have to find the unique array. So we will use array functions, set functions to find the unique list of number from array. And after that, we will have length of array. Well, not, yes, length of array. Yeah, sum of distinct array. So this will be look like this. And we will sum up this and divide it by the length of unique distinct array. So we can say that right here, instead of this, sum of, and then we can say distinct height, right? So this distinct height, and then we can substitute right here, and we don't have to use this. Instead, we will use this, right? So that is going to be sum of distinct height, right? Okay, so now it's more clear and understand. All right, here, see. So this is distinct height, so we make it distinct, and then after that we find the value of that list of numbers, and then we sum it up, and then this will be distinct, the length of distinct heights. Yes. Yeah. So after that, we got the total number of distinct heights, and we divided by it. Sum of the distinct heights divided by total number of distinct heights, and we got the average. Okay, so after that, we will return average. So that will be our answer. Let's try and test this out. And it worked. And it worked for all the cases. So there you go. That's our a unique introduction of sets.